Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn and I am back with another video, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am unboxing the Smart Scalp Massager. It helps relieve the scalp and massage the head. This is how it looks on the box. I bought this from Amazon.com and it cost about $38.99 plus tax. And the reason I bought this scalp massager is because your girl needs some help with her edges, and so I thought, why not use the scalp massager to stimulate my scalp so I could possibly stimulate some growth in my edges area. It's worth a try. So I will be testing this out in the future, but today I'm unboxing this to show you guys the first look and to show you how it works. So let's get right into it. Before I open the box, I want to show you something about what it says on the side of the box. It says that it can touch the skin, meaning that these little pieces here, they are soft. I believe they're made of silicone, and that this device is waterproof and it has a recharge platform. So let's get right into it and see what we have in here. So take the box off here, slide it off. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. So first thing I'm going to take out here, this is the charger. I'm going to lay this to the side here. The next thing I see here is, I don't know what this is, but I'll show you guys what it is in a little bit. Okay, let me lay that to the side here. And we have the instructions, the user manual. And I'm going to take this out here. See if I can get it out. Oh, I'm having problems. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here is the massager, and we have something over here, and like I said, I don't know what this is. I really don't. So it's something hard and kind of plastic. And then we have our USB port. It says in the manual that it is for people who use computers for too long, who maintain the same position, who have brain to support deficient headache, dizziness, who are nervous, tension, insomnia, who has scalp is scratchy and drop hair. Y'all know what? I'm reading this exactly like I see it in the manual. These people that made this, they're not English speaking people. I just want you guys to know that I'm reading exactly what I see. Let me show you how it works. This is the scalp massager, and on the bottom of it you have these little silicone little devices here. Ooh, it fell off. Let me get it. Push it in there pretty good. But you can take these off and wash them and clean them. So these are the little massaging doohickeys. Let me see what they call them, because I don't know what they call. I don't know. They don't even say what it's called. But these are really soft. They're not hard at all. This is the on button. I guess this is also the part where you need to charge it. So if it's in the red, you see the red light, I think you need to charge it. And then if it's fully charged, you have green. I just took it out of the box, so it's not going to be fully charged. So let's turn it on. Forgot to say, we have our charger, and you would use your charger. Let's open this here. And you will plug it in the base here in the back. Okay, that was simple. And then you take your USB section and you put it into your computer or your laptop or whatever, or if you have a little plug-in socket charger thing, like what you have with your phone or something, then you can plug that into that and plug it directly into the wall. So that's cool. So what I'm going to do now is turn it on. And you turn it on by pushing this down at the top. Okay, so now there is going really slow. And it feels like it's pinching my little arm. It doesn't hurt anything, it just feels funny, but it feels good. This is the slow speed, and I'm going to go with the faster speed by just pushing this again. So when it speeds up. To turn it off, just hold this down. And then it goes off. Sit it back into the base, and I'm going to charge it up. And there you have my little scalp massager. I'm not going to show you guys this thing on my head because I don't know what it's gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is come back in the next video and show you guys me using it on my head, and also telling you what I'm going to be doing in order to help stimulate growth in my temple area. Okay, I'm not just going to be using this. I'll be doing some other things as well. Have you used a scalp massager before? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to rate and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.